Okay, so we're at the lodge. Here's the lodge. Real nice place that people come to visit, get drunk. We got some kids from school here. So we are cutting down here. That's a school trip. A bunch of kids. So we're going this way. You haven't seen this place before. We're never here because I like to have Cooper off the leash, and it's hard to do out here. So we usually don't come this way. There's the lake. I got a nice picture of the sunset over the lake that you'll see at the first of the video. It's getting quite dark now, so and that is Route 8 road that takes you to the Martin area. We're doing another circle. I don't know if he wants to get into the lake or not, but let's do it from this side, okay, buddy? So this is nice. This looks out all over the lake. There's the big full moon. And then we got the beach here. Lots of fish in the water, as you can see. Look at that. Look at that. Look at all the fish. That's pretty cool. See,